is going on, my boo? It is your girl Stacey Woo. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. I wanted to do a cool daytime fall makeup look today, honey, because I'm on my way out and I was like, look, real quick, I want to do a daytime look. Like, I just want to do a fall daytime look. So we are going to be jumping into it, honey. It is this new fall makeup trend look with the burgundy lips and the burnt blush kind of like vibe. So this is the look that I definitely want to like kind of like go for and see how it looks for me, because lately I have been seeing it on a lot of my beautiful Caucasian or my light skinned girls. So I just want to see how this trend looks on a more brown skin tone. So we are going to be jumping right into it real quick. I'm going to be jumping into some moisturizer, which is Elf. I also been using this right here, this CeraVe Daily Moisturizer. Like, this is something that I've never used before, so I just bought a little thing of it, but it is really good. It helps restore and protect skin, and when I tell you, it's really been protecting my skin. And I do my makeup almost every single day because, you know, I'm always working and stuff like that. So my skin definitely I have to definitely make sure like my skin is always like tight and like protected and clean a lot of the times, because my skin will break out anything. Like, anything I brush up on it, anything I eat is just crazy, okay? And I really love this. This is the shit. But yeah, so for the daytime fall makeup look, I'm going to be starting off with my eyebrows. Take some regular little like lock braid gel or whatever, and it's like hold or whatever, and I just put this on my eyes real quick, and I take a brush. I take a comb. This is actually my comb from Fenty Beauty. I love this comb. It's one of my favorite combs. But I kind of like just brush my brows out just like that, because my brows are very thin. Real quick, I just want to put some eye cream under my eye real quick. Any kind of eye cream. Get you a nice little eye cream. Actually, the eye cream that I've been using is the Peter Thomas Roth eye cream. I don't even think this is an eye cream. I think this is just a regular moisturizer, but this is the Water Drench. I just been loving to put this just right under my eyes and just leaving it just like this. So now, since we have that down, I'm going to real quick jump into some moisturizer. Not moisturizer, some primer. And y'all already know I've been loving my Elf primer lately. This will hold your foundation. I really love this. So I'm going to put this Elf all over my face real good like that. Eyes. And now we're going to go into not a real hard foundation, just something light. So I'm going to go into my Fenty Beauty, the tint. I just love her tint, and I just love, even though it is giving a little light on my skin, after a while it's like, oh, I can't even tell, because I don't put a lot. I put a drop all over my skin, because if I'm going out for the day, I really don't want a whole bunch of makeup on my face. Like, having a bunch of makeup on my face definitely is not the vibe for me. So now I'm going to jump back into my brows just to fill them in, because I want my brows to be like a little fluffy. And I'm just going to lightly put in some strokes where I feel like it needs some. And I just brush it into my brows just like that. And then I just take my spoolie and lightly blend in whatever, just to make it look like it's blending. And then I jump right back into that Fenty Beauty. This is her Brow MVP, and I lay that on my brows very lightly. You don't need too much. I wish I had like real thick brows, like you can really see and it just be like pop, but this is like my brows now. Like, this is how, kind of like bushy but chill, like, you know what I mean? I like that, you feel me? Alright, so next we're going to be jumping into blush. So what I'm going to be using is this pink Elf putty blush. This is a really cute pink. I love this blush. And I'm going to be stamping that just like this, because I really like doing this a lot. And then I'm also going to take a little bit and just put it like on my nose, like around my nose, you know, like that little e-girl, you know. Yeah, so now since we have that down, I'm going to take a little bit of this Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Flawless Filter, so I'm only going to just take a little bit of this and I'm going to lay that right here under my eye. So when I am doing my daytime look, I try not to literally just be like all beat under my eyes. You feel what I'm saying? Like I just try to just be like, you know, whatever. So right now I'm gonna let that sit, but I'm gonna just take this contour and I'm gonna kind of drag this contour down. And then I'm just gonna still blend it up. Was that a fly? I cannot stand when a fly gets into my house. Alright, so now I'm going to do this other side. Just like that. And then I'm going to take a little bit more and just put that like around my forehead like that. I don't really need a lot. And then I'm going to just put the rest of it on my nose and drag it down. So now I'm just going to take that and just cover my eye. I might take a little bit more and lay it right there. I'm going to focus on my eyes, and for my eyes I just take this same Charlotte Tilbury and lay this over my eyes. And then let's stamp that in. I'm going to take my contour and bring that out my eye and put that all like in my crease a little bit. Take this contour that I have and I'm going to just warm my crease up with it. And then I'm going to take and blend all that together around my forehead. I'm going to take some setting powder because I have all that down, and I'm going to just set my face. This is really the daytime vibes, like the daytime vibes and the daytime vibe. Get that off my nose real quick. So I'm going to take some setting powder and set. Now I'm going to touch up this contour. So next, what we're going to jump into real quick, we're going to jump into lashes. So for lashes, I don't really do too much to my lashes. I just pull my lashes all the way out. I don't put any lashes on my eyes when I do my daytime look. I don't feel like I need to. I think I have long enough lashes that I can just like, my lashes are pretty long, and I feel like Rihanna has definitely helped me with that. She makes me feel like I can do that, and so that's what I do. I'm gonna kind of wait on the bottom lashes. I'm gonna put on my Charlotte Tilbury real quick and just dust this off. And the Charlotte Tilbury that I have is the deep. And you see them bottom lashes, like, you see why I don't put lashes on? Like, do I really need lashes? No. So now I'm going to be jumping into blush. We're going to jump into this Shepherd's Delight color right here. This is actually, yes, this is a eyeshadow. I don't know about y'all, but I use eyeshadows when I don't have the color. Ooh, that is nice. Oh, that is really cute. Like, I really like that. Okay, I really like that. I like that. So I'm going to jump into a brown eyeshadow, and I'm just going to give myself a wing. You see that? Just something small. You see it? You see the little wings that I did? Okay, so next I'm going to be doing my lips. And for the lip, we're going to be using this Lime Crime. This is like a burgundy, like a nice burgundy. Because, you know, for daytime, I've been hearing through the grapevine, like a burgundy lip is like, where is that? So I was like, oh, okay. So if we doing burgundy lip, it's only right for me to see if I could do a little burgundy lip. Now, we're not doing too much with the burgundy lip, but we definitely doing burgundy liner. So I'm going to use this. And then, of course, I'm going to go over it with a brown pencil. That look good. Look good, okay? And then, after that, guess what I'm going to do? Take a lip, a burgundy lip from Elle. Do it just like that. So let me try to do the freckles real quick. Maybe I could do that. Oh, can you tell I got freckles? Can you tell I put the freckles on my face? Can you tell? You probably can't even tell I got freckles, but it's okay. I see them on my face. So the freckles is even, you know, they doing a little something. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, my boo, I love you so, so much. Thank you so much for watching me and watching me grow. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.